Shawty said she want South City cover. She wasn't on a roll, now she want on a runner. Seen dark skin girls with them light skin crews. Yeah, we see you. But she the light skin girl with a light skin crew. Y'all know what to do. I'm still saying this bitch looks like Lindsay Lohan. She gets down just like Lindsay Lohan. Burn the blood, she not holding nothing. That bitch bad, watch her blow a hole. She gets away. Run away, she gets away. She just turned 25. She wanna roll with young niggas like roll with the clip.